Good morning, students. So let us proceed to the next questions of the exercise 13.1 from the chapter Surface Area and Volume. So here your next question is question number 6. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each other to its end. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm and the diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Find its surface area. Okay. So here, you have a cylinder and on the side you are having two hemispherical ends, and the total length of this capsule is 14 mm. Okay, and diameter is given to be 5 mm. So here you have to see there are two hemispherical ends, that is two hemisphere and one cylinder. So here you are asked to find the surface area of the capsule. That will be equal to surface, as you can see here, that is surface area of cylinder plus the surface area of two hemispheres, isn't it? So since there are two hemispheres, as you can see here, so now as we know what is the surface area, that is 2 pi r h, plus since we know the surface area is given by 2 pi r square, this is 1, but since there are two hemispheres, so we have to write what? That is 2, isn't it? So here that means 2 pi rh plus 4 pi r square. So what are the parameters we require? We require the radius and height of the cylinder, and we require the radius of the hemispherical ends. So as you can see here, since your diameter is 5 mm, that means your radius will be 5 by 2 mm, that means 2.5 mm. So your radius is how much? 2.5 mm. That means from here to here, this is 2.5. That means from here to here will also be 2.5, and from this center to this parameter will also be how much? 2.5, 2.5. So here you can see here, since the total length is 14 mm, if you minimize this part and this part, then the left out will be the cylinder. That is 2.5 here, 2.5 here, that will be 5. That means your length of the cylinder is given to be how much? 9 mm. Okay, students? So let us try to find the solution to this question. So here what I have done is 2 pi rh, as you can see here, plus 4 pi r square. I have taken 2 pi r is common, since the radius is common to both the cylinder as well as your hemisphere. So here 2 into 22 by 7, your radius is, you can take 5 by 2, height is 9 plus 2 into 5 by 2. Okay, why I have taken? Because this 2 can be easily deducted with this, and this 2 will be deducted with this, so that's why I am taking the fraction part, not the decimal. Okay, so here this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled. So here you can see 110 by 7, then 9 plus this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled, that is 5. Easy. So 110 upon 7 into 40, so this will be cancelled with this, that means the answer is 220 mm square. So the surface area of this capsule is given to be how much? 220 mm square. Let us see the next question, that is question number 7. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and the diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 mm and 4 mm respectively, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter. Find the area of the canvas used for making the tent, and also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of 500 per meter square. Note that the base of the tent will not be covered with the canvas. Okay, so let us first try to draw the cylinder. So you have a cylinder and on the top you have a conical tent. Okay, the height and the diameter. So the height is given as 2.1 mm and the diameter is given as 4 meter. Suppose let me take this diagram like this. Okay, since your slant height is given here 2.8 meter, you are asked to find the area of the canvas, that is the outside part we have to cover, and the cost of the canvas if 1 meter square is costing how much? Rupees 5. Okay, so here, so your diameter is 4 meter, that means radius will be 2 meter. That means from this to this it will be how much? 2 meter. Okay, so here you have to cover this tent, so you have to calculate what? The outer surface, because you have to cover the outer part of this tent, right? So what is asked here? Find the area of the canvas. So as you can see here, the area of the canvas will be equal to surface area of your cylinder plus the surface area of the conical part, isn't it? So here there are two solids, one is your cylinder. So what is the formula here? That is 2 pi RH, and what is the surface area of the conical part? That is pi RL. Okay, so here you can see here pi and r will be common, so 2h plus l. So 22 by 7, radius we have got 2. So 2 into height of the cylinder is 2.1 plus length height is already given, that is 2.8. So here you can calculate 22 by 7 into 2. So this will be 4.2 plus 2.8. That is 22 by 7 into 2 into 7. So this 7 and this 7 will be cancelled. So how much you are getting is your 44 meters square. So this is the area of the canvas. Okay. So what is the next question here? Your next question is find the cost of the canvas at the rate of 500 per meter square. Okay. Now cost of the canvas for 1 meter square is rupees 500, right? Therefore, the cost of the canvas for 44 meters square will be rupees 500 into 40. So here 2 zeros will be here. So what is the amount here? 22,000 rupees will be required for the canvas. Okay. So let us see the next question, that is question number 8. So here from a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 cm and diameter 1.4 cm, a conical cavity of the same height and the same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. So you have a cylinder whose dimension is given. The height is 2.4 meter, diameter is 2.4 centimeter, diameter is 1.4 centimeter. From here, the cone of same height and same diameter is being hollowed out. That is data. So you are asked to find the remaining solid. So remaining solid will be the area of the base of this plus the curved part of the cylinder and the curved part of the cone, that will be that. Okay, let us find the total surface area of the remaining solid. That will be equal to the curved surface area of cylinder plus the curved surface area of the cone plus your base of the cylinder. here you can see here. So the curved surface area of the cylinder is given by 2 pi RH. Curved surface area of the cone is pi RH, and the base is like a circle, so it will be pi r square. So since all the parameters are available, but what is not present is the slend height value. So as we know, what is the relation? L equal to root over r square plus h square. So radius and the height is same like that of your cylinder. So this will be 0.7 whole square plus height is 2.4 whole square. That is 0.49 plus 5.76. That will be equal to 6.25. Since we know that what is the square root of 6.5 is 25. One decimal, that is 2.5 centimeter. Okay. So what we can take common here? Pi and r. So 2h plus L plus r. Radius is 0.7. 2h, that is 2 times of this will be 4.8 plus 2.5 plus 0.7. So this will be that is 2.2 into 4.8 into 5.12. That is 8. So what you are getting is 17.6 centimeters square. So you have to take the nearest value, that means we can take approximately how much? 18 centimeters square is the remaining total surface area of your remaining soil. So in this way we calculate the solution. Okay. So let us see the next question. That is question number 9. So 9 is a wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of the solid cylinder. If the height of the cylinder is 10 cm and its base of the radius is 3.5 cm, find the total surface area of the article. So you have a cylinder with your hemispherical ends in this way, that is given here. The height is given to be 10 and radius is 3.5. Height is 10 and the radius is given to be 3.5 centimeters. So you have to find the total surface area of this article. So what will be the total surface area of this article? Will be the curved surface area of the cylinder. Yes, and your curved surface area of the two hemispheres. Okay, so total surface area of the wooden article will be equal to your curved surface area of your cylinder plus your curved surface area of the two ends, isn't it? Now, before writing this, you have to always write what are the things given to you. Okay? Before writing this part, you have to always write what are the things given. Like the example given, what you have to write? Given radius is 2.5 and the height of the cylinder is 10 cm. Okay? Then radius of radius of your hemisphere is also 3.5. So all the information that is given in your question, you have to write it down as a given part. Okay. So here the curved surface area is 2 pi RH plus, since there are two, so I can write directly 4 pi r square, as one hemisphere is given by 2 pi r square. Since there are two hemispheres, so we can calculate what equal to, we can write it as 4. So if you see here, let us try to find the total surface area of this wooden article. That is given by 2 pi RH plus 4 pi r square. Since we can take common, that is 2 pi and r. So the bracket will be h plus 2. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 3.5. Height is 10 plus 2 times of 3.5 will be 7. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 5 is 110, since no decimal point, that is 11 into 7. So here let us calculate now. So that will be equal to 374 centimeters square will be the total surface area of this little atom. So in this way we find the solution to the answer of your last question of exercise 13.1. So the answer is coming to be 374 centimeters square.